You know at this point how to conjugate the verb avere, and you know that in Italian sometimes we use avere instead of essere. We use to have instead of to be. We saw this when we talk about the age. The same thing happens sometime with idiomatic expressions. This is the case, for example, of avere fame, to be hungry, avere sete, to be thirsty, avere sonno, to be sleepy, and so on. So Italians use avere instead of essere. So if you want to say, for example, I'm hungry, no, where in English you have I am, in Italian you have to write I have. So not io sono, ma io ho fame. You are hungry, it will be the same. Not you are in Italian, but it would be like you have, so it will be tu hai fame, and so on. Same thing happened with avere sete, to be thirsty. Let's say you want to say they are thirsty. So you know that they in Italian is loro. Now you know that instead of the verb to be, you must use to have. So you check the conjugation of the verb avere and what is the form for loro. The form for loro is hanno, and then you add the word sete. Okay, let's see another case. Let's say you want to say he's sleepy. So he in Italian is lui. Then you check the conjugation of the verb avere. So what is the form for lui? It's lui, a, and then you add the word sonno, and so on. Okay, as you can see, the last two expressions, you must memorize them. They actually don't use essere in English, but you just memorize them. So avere bisogno di it translates to need or have a need of. So let's say, for example, you want to say I need a pen. I need a pen. So you know that in this case, to need, you must translate with avere bisogno di. So you write io, and then what is the form of avere for io? Is io ho, then bisogno di is exactly the same. You don't change it. So you say io ho bisogno di a pen, I said. So a pen is una penna. Okay. I have a need of a pen. Same thing. Let's say like she needs a book. So she is lei. What is the form of avere for lei? You check and you see lei ha. Then you just rewrite bisogno di. I said a book. So what is the equivalent of a book in Italian? Un libro. And so on. The last expression, avere voglia di, to want or to feel like doing something. So for example, if you want to say I want an ice cream, so io, in this case want is not want, but in Italian you must use voglia. So I'm sorry, you must use a verb to have followed by voglia. So what is the form of the verb avere for io? Is ho. Then voglia di doesn't change, so ho voglia di an ice cream, un gelato. Or I feel like eating an ice cream. So I feel like you must translate this form I feel like with the verb to have. So again, io, feel like to have. What is the form of to have for io is ho. So followed by what? Voglia, voglia di, and then feel like eating. I'm telling you now how you translate eating in Italian. You will learn this in the next unit. So ho voglia di, eating, mangiare, and then again an ice cream, un gelato. Okay.